Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So this is our second video, which is in Python. Already we released our first video, which is like basics of Python, why we are using the Python, what is the use of Python, syntax, how to print the statements, how to write the comments, how to find out the indentation error. This all topic we covered in the first video. This is the second part, the most important part, which is Python if else. Okay. So basically, if you know any other programming language, mostly in every programming languages, we are using the if else. If else is something like we have to provide some conditions. Okay. For example, if outside there is a rain, so now it's your decision. You want to go outside or not. So whenever the condition is true, your if block will get execute. Whenever the condition is false, your else block will get execute. For example, I have two variable A and B. In A, we have a 13. For example, we have A. Let me write here. For example, we have A, which is 10, and B, which is 20. Okay. Now, what is the next condition? Suppose I wanted to check whether A is greater than B or not. If, suppose we added one condition, if A is greater than B, I need to print something. If A is greater than B, I need to print something. Okay. So, what will happen? As you can see, A is 10, B is 20. So 10 is greater than 20? No, this is false. So whatever we will write in the else, your else block will get execute. Okay. So let's see the second part. Yeah. So as you can see, Python condition and if statement, we have one variable which is A 33, B which is 200. Now what is my condition? B is greater than A. So yes, 200 is greater than 33. So you will get B is greater than A. Let me show you in term of code. So it's your choice which platform you will take. So if you watch our previous video already, we use the Google Colab notebook because this is very simple, very useful. We need to just search for Google Colab notebook. I'm going to provide you this link in the description box. You can directly click also. Over here, we need to take a new notebook. New notebook is something like new project. And in single notebook, you can do the multiple projects. Okay. So again, it's your choice. So it's loading. Yes, perfect. Suppose we declared two variable. One A is 10, B is 20. What is my condition? I have to check if B is greater than A, we need to print B is greater than A. B is greater than A. Now, if I will run this project, so what's your result? Please write in the comment section. Okay. But you will get the result over here. B is greater than A because this condition is true. But if I will reverse this value, A is greater than B. Now you have to just write in the comment section. If you will write A is greater than B, so what you will get the result? You will not get anything because this condition is false and we not added anything here. Okay. So that is our next part. If this condition is false, you will not get the result. So what instead of not getting the result, what you will get? That is nothing but our else part. Okay. So suppose you have if you have only one condition, you can go with if. But if you have a multiple condition, like I need to check whether A and B both are equal or B is greater than A. So here we have a multiple conditions. Okay, so how you will check the multiple condition? For that we need to use the elif. Elif is else if. Okay, in order to check the second condition we need to use the elif. What is the value? Suppose I have to check a is equal to b or not. Okay, so sorry, it's elif, elif. Okay, elif is something like else if, the second condition. Now I'm going to just print a and b both are not equal. A and b are not equal. Now see what you will get the result. Still nothing. Why? Because this both condition is false. A is greater than b? No. A is equal to b? No. Suppose I have to write one more condition, which is again elif. B is greater than A. Now what will happen? This condition is true, right? Because B is 20, A is 10. So you will get this result, which is print B is greater than A. Now, if you will run the project, what you will get, B is greater than A. So this condition is true. Whenever we have a multiple condition, so always you need to start with if. Then the second condition will be elif. Third condition is also elif. If you have 10 condition, you can check the 10 condition and later on we can put the else. Else means suppose you have a 10 condition, you checked all 10 condition, but we don't have any result in that 10 condition. So what we can do, we can use our else part so that directly it will show you something like this result is not valid, or whatever you want to find that is not in our list. So that is our by default thing, whatever you wanted to print. Okay, suppose here I want to just write else, and then we have to print something like invalid input. Okay, invalid input, but your condition is meeting here, so that you will get the result b is greater than a. So while doing this project, the student, they are doing lots of mistake. What is the mistake that they are doing? If you will write if condition in this line, okay, this one, so whatever you will write the elif condition, that also you need to write in the same line, same place. Okay, the next elif also you need to write in the same, and else also you need to write in the same line. Then only it will not show you the result. Otherwise, you will get the indentation error. Let me show you. If I will give you one space here, see, you are getting the error. If you will run, this is called as indentation error. Okay. So always you need to write if elif else condition in the same line. And after if, whatever condition you want to check, write that condition and put the colon. Because if you will even not put the colon, then also you will get the result, which is, as you can see, colon is expected. So always you need to read the error, because if you will read the error, what error you are getting, that you are able to identify. Even the line number, everything we are getting in the error description. So you can correct your error. Okay. In the same way, so you have to follow these things, then only you are not able to get any kind of error, which is you need to write in the same line. You have to put the semicolon, and the next line, once you will start the printing statement, you have to give the proper spaces. You cannot start the next line here. See, again you are getting the error. So you need to maintain the proper indentations. Okay. So this is our first result, which is if, elif, and else condition. Got it? So perfect. So in this way, you can use your if, elif, and else condition, and you can do multiple programs. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.